Alright, so we're going to go over some word problems that you had to deal with. It says Harry made a scale drawing of a hotel. He used a scale of 1 inch to 3 feet. The actual length of the room in the hotel is 24 feet. How long is the room in the drawing? So first thing you're going to do is make a ratio based on what you're given. So you're given that 1 inch is equal to 3 feet. And then it tells you that the hotel has a room that has a length of 24 feet. Now, if you wrote these out 1 inch over 3 feet, you know that 24 feet. 3 was already on the bottom with feet, so I'm going to put 24 feet on bottom. And we're looking for x, which is drawing. So I cross multiply, I get 24. Equals 3x divided by 3 divided by 3. I get x equals 8 inches. There we go. Next one. Marie made a scale drawing of a house. She used a scale of 1 inch. Let's write that down. 2 feet. The rug in the hallway is 3 inches. So we got to look 3 inches. There's inches right there. So I'm going to put 3 inches right here. I'm looking for x. So when I cross multiply, I get 1x equals 6. So I don't have to divide by 1. So x equals 6 feet. There we go. Another one, Mary measured a theater and made a scale drawing. The scale of the drawing was 1 inch to 6 feet. The stage is 24 feet wide. In real life, how wide is the stage in the drawing? So once again, we got feet. Feet went on bottom, so we're going to keep consistent. X. So we're going to cross multiply. We get 6x equals 24. Cross multiply, we divide. We have 4 inches. There you go. Oops. Alright, a few more of these. Not this one. This one. It says in the picture a man measures 2.3 centimeters. His actual height is 1.78 meters. He is standing beside his flagpole that measures 7.6 centimeters. In the picture, what is the actual height of the flagpole? Okay, so we're still going to make two different proportions. In this problem, there's a bunch of different ways to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2.3 centimeters on top over 1.78 meters. So the 2.3 represents the man in the picture. The 1.78 represents his actual height. So if we're looking at flagpole, you got to ask yourself 7.6. What does that represent? Does that represent actual life, or does it represent the picture? And it's also easy, centimeters. I'll put centimeters on top, so that means centimeters have to go on top. There we go. Let me cross multiply. You get 2.3x equals 1.78 times 7.6. 13.528. I should divide that by 2.3. I get roughly 5.88, but it says now round to the nearest tenth, so it's 5.9 meters. There we go. Alright, last one. This is a diagram of a bookcase, and an instruction booklet uses the scale of 1 to 30. And if the diagram is 7.8 centimeters tall, 5.4 centimeters wide, 1 centimeter deep, what is the actual dimension? Now, there's two ways to do this. You can write out 3 different proportions, with 1 over 30 being one of them, and then 7.8 over x, and then you would just put 5.4 over x and 1 over x. But the easiest way to do this is organize this scale right here. This says 1 centimeter equals 30 centimeters. You can only do this when there's a 1 here. All you have to do is multiply all these numbers by 30. That's all you got to do. So 7.8 times 30. 234 centimeters tall. 5.4 times 30. 162 centimeters wide. And then 30 centimeters deep. That's all you got to do. Only when it's 1. Once it's not 1, it's a different story. But if it's 1 to 30, you can multiply by 30. If it's 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 50, you just multiply by that number. And that's all you got to do.